Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Half and half. This is the best substitute for milk in everything from baking to making sauces and gravies. Here's how to swap half and half for milk. Combine 3/4 cup of half and half and 1/4 cup of water for every cup of whole milk your recipe calls for.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Half and half and butter. You can also use half and half to replace heavy cream without adding butter in certain recipes, such as sauces and soups. To substitute for 1 cup 237 milliliters of heavy cream, mix 7/8 cup 232 grams of half and half with 1/8 cup 29 grams of melted butter.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Coconut cream makes a good swap for half and half when you blend it with half soy milk. Another option: create your own light cream by mixing 3/4 cup of a plain milk substitute with 1/4 cup of canola oil. Coconut milk can replace evaporated milk or heavy cream in soups and stews.
Take our lead.
Don't worry too much if you don't have whole milk or heavy cream. Nearly any milk will work, and you can substitute half and half for the cream. Ideally, you want ingredients with a high fat content because these will create a creamy texture when cooled.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Water. You can use water in most baking recipes that call for milk. Use 1 cup of water and 1 to half a teaspoon of butter for every 1 cup of milk called for in the recipe. The extra butter will help your baked goods stay moist.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.